Welcome back to the shop. I'm Andrew and this is Davidson Crafts, and today we're crafting for the kitchen. So I bought this kit easily a year plus ago, and it's just been bouncing around the shop. And it's been staring at me recently, being like, hey man, are you ever gonna make me? And so I decided to make some time and put together this kit, and I thought it'd be fun to kind of take you guys along with me, and we can see if this is a good kit or not. So let's go ahead and see what we're gonna need to put this project together. All right, so for this kit, it comes with the top of the peeler here, and it's a ceramic one, which I thought was pretty cool. And then, of course, you provide your own blank and stuff for the handle. So for that, we're going to be using this piece of walnut, and I think that will look pretty good here. So let's go ahead and find our centers, get this thing on the lathe, and start turning it down. I'm liking the overall shape of this, and I feel like it's got a good feel in the hand, so we're going to go ahead and start sanding. We're going to start at 220 and go up to 400. Okay, we've got everything sanded up to 400, so now what we're going to go ahead and do is apply some mineral oil. And what that'll do is that'll soak into the wood and help lift the grain in areas. So as we sand again with our 400, we can get everything really nice and smooth before applying our finish. right, now that we've got everything all sanded up and ready to go, it's time to go ahead and add our finish. For that, we're going to be using a food safe finish that I make myself. And this just has beeswax, carnauba wax, mineral oil, and some citrus oils. So let's go ahead and get that applied. Okay, I went ahead and sanded the bottom of our handle here, so we're ready to go ahead and get our peeler in place. For that, we're going to be using some 5-minute epoxy, so let's get that mixed up and get everything put together. Alright guys, well here it is. Our peeler is all complete and I'm really happy with this. I love this walnut. It looks absolutely beautiful and it fits really nice in the hand. It almost looks like it's going to be a little oversized, but once you get it in the hand, it feels really good. So I think the only thing left to do is just go ahead and try it out. Alright, so got some carrots here. So let's peel one and see how it works out. Ooh. All right. I'm not gonna lie, it works really well. Yeah, super smooth. So as far as the kit goes, I'm really happy with it. This was a really simple project, and the kit itself was easy to use, and most importantly, it works well. If you're going to be making a tool or something for the kitchen, it's important that it actually does what it's supposed to do. And this peels really nice, so I'm very happy with that and happy with this project as a whole. We'll go ahead and end it here with some close-up shots. If you liked the video, let me know by clicking on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, be sure to do so for more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. I can't stop peeling. It's so satisfying. Great, now I wasted a whole carrot. So I picked this using this finish stuff here. Okay, everything's sanded up to 400.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
For that, we're going to be using this homemade finish I make myself. Homemade, I make myself. Really? That's what you're going to go with, Andrew?